I'm Pasquotank County Sheriff Tommy Wooten.
And I'm Chief Deputy Daniel Fogg.
The death of Andrew Brown Jr. is tragic. The family is grieving, and I hope all of you will join in with me in praying for them. Our deputies attempted to serve the arrest warrant. They fired the shots. They've been put on administrative leave until we know all the facts.
Some of our deputies are now receiving threats. We respect and support peaceful protests and will provide protection for peaceful protestors. But threats are illegal and not a solution.
No law enforcement agency should investigate itself in a case like this, which is why, to ensure accountability, I've asked for the State Bureau of Investigation to handle everything. We will cooperate with their work and let them do their job. As a leader in this county, I'm committed to being transparent to the people I serve. I'll tell you what I know to be factual, but I will not prejudge anything or draw any conclusions until we have all the facts, and that may take some time.
Regarding the shooting, here are some of the facts as we know them. Some people want to know why our local version of SWAT team and deputies from another agency are assisting in this search warrant and arrest warrant. Because we're committed to transparency, we're going to provide more information about this decision. This is an arrest warrant surrounding felony drug charges. Mr. Brown was a convicted felon with a history of resisting arrest. Our training and our policies indicate under such circumstances there is a high risk of danger.
There is body camera footage of the attempt to arrest Mr. Brown. The State Bureau of Investigation has this footage, and it can only be released by a judge.
The issue will likely come down to whether our deputies had reason to believe Mr. Brown's actions put them at risk for a serious injury or death. We will not offer an opinion about this because we do not have all the facts.
What I will say is that if evidence shows that any of my deputies violated the law or policies, they will be held accountable, because that's what the citizens expect me to do, and it's the right thing to do.
We're reaching out to community leaders to help us with this tragedy. We're heartened to know how many of them are willing to work with us towards our three main priorities: transparency about what happened, accountability for any wrongdoing, and peace in our community.
That's all we can say for now. The situation is in the hands of the State Bureau of Investigation, and they should be given the ability to do their important work. Thank you, and God bless.